Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss how to rename a particular file as well as how to delete a particular file using Git commands in the Git repository. Let's see one by one. First of all, I am going to rename the file. I am going to rename the first file, that is the first text is the file name. I am going to rename it as primary text. So what I'm going to do is you have to use the command called git space mv first text is the name of that file, first text file, to primary text.txt. Sorry, I have to give txt to primary text.txt. So this is the command. So git space mv, then you have to give the file name and what you are going to replace. So that is what I am giving here. Once you're done with that, just press enter. As you can see that it has been it has been changed to primary text, but still this is there in the staging index. You have to move that to Git repository. If you just check the status to say that it is moved to the staging index, but still it has been moved to the Git repository. If for anything you have to move to the Git repository, you have to use the command called git space commit space -m is the message. It's optional, but it is always advisable to use the message so that it is very easier in the future to check the history why we have renamed the file or something like that. So it is always advisable to use the message. So I'm telling here as renamed first text to primary text, something like that as a hint I'm giving. So it has been committed. Now the file has been moved to the Git repository. So as you can see here, nothing to commit. My working tree is clean. That means the changes whatever I did, I renamed the first text file to primary text file. It has been available in the Git repository. So now my second step is how to delete a file. So there are two ways that I can directly go to that folder and I can delete that. But if you want to use the git command, how you have to do that? That is what we are going to see. Since the screen looked clumsy, I'm going to clear that. Yeah. Now I'm going to delete the file. So what is the command for deleting the file? So I have to use the command called git space minus, or you can use rm. Rm stands for remove. Then you have to give the file name. Second text.txt is a file name. So the command is git space rm space second text.txt. That means I'm removing the file from the folder. If you press enter, as you can see there, automatically the file got deleted. But still, as I so told before, whatever you are doing here, first it will go into the staging index. Always you have to commit it not to get reflected in your Git repo as well. So in order to not to do that, you have to follow the syntax called git commit -m. Then you have to give that deleted second text file .txt. And now if you check the status, so nothing to commit. My working tree is clean. That means the file whatever I deleted, it got reflected in the Git repo as well. So thank you for watching the video.